Speaker, to the bill.
To the bill.
Colleagues, my good friend, my best friend in this chamber, much to the chagrin of the Christmas Tree District representative, who he's a close second, but my good friend from the economic hub of Lane County said most of the things that I would say about myself and my family in terms of our commitment to the state over a long period of time. But I want to talk about my district because largely, more than anyone else probably in this building, I represent public employees. Roughly 80% of the people who live in my district have a public employee member, a worker in their house. And they are deathly afraid of the layoffs that are coming to them if all we do is cut budgets. They know that we are cutting budgets more than we're raising taxes. Both my parents were public employees. My mom was a teacher. My dad was a mailman. So I feel it inside me when we talk about people who already work for low wages and the possibility of a decent, secure pension and health care rather than wages in order to do something that serves others, teach children, deliver mail, help an abused child be removed from their home if need be and placed in a loving home. And that's what public employees are and do, and they're my constituents. Now, I also have Fairmount Hill, the wealthiest part of Salem, and they're gonna be asked to pay more. Now, I live in that part of town now, but when I grew up, I did not live in that part of town. I lived in Coos Bay in the flats, and I looked up at Telegraph Hill, where the doctors lived, and I wasn't envious or jealous about their success. But the bottom line is, regardless of claims of class warfare in this country, there is an undeclared class war already. And the have-nots, not because the haves want it that way, the have-nots are losing. So the question is, last session when there was mention that we're in an economic recovery, we can't raise taxes. Now we're in economic decline, we can't raise taxes. When is the right time to raise taxes? It's when they're unfair. And I have been waiting a long time to vote for this bill. Decades. Since ballot measure 5 passed, I have been waiting to get a chance to make Oregon's tax structure more fair, and I am proud to do it today. Please vote yes on House Bill 2649.